Hello friend, welcome to the Travel World YouTube channel. This video discuss about the 14 most beautiful destinations to celebrate Christmas on the East Coast in the USA. So let's start my video. 14 most beautiful destinations to celebrate Christmas on the East Coast in the USA. It's almost the holiday season and I thought many people will be celebrating at home with a huge feast or visiting their parents out of catch up with the rest of the family. Other will be getting off a beach or the slopes for the season. For thus planning a trip within the United States, why not try visiting the East Coast instead? Several unique Christmas activities on the East Coast includes boat parades, horse tours, sled ride, and potential garden covered in sparkling light. To get in the spirit of the season, this list includes the best Christmas towns on the East Coast, offering a festive atmosphere and exciting activities. Portsmouth, New Hampshire. The seaside historic town of Portsmouth is always a delight to visit if someone is searching for an excitement-filled East Coast Christmas vacation. Its cobblestone streets, adorable shops, plentiful restaurants, and vibrant harbor front all makes for a wonderful holiday. However, a vintage Christmas is Portsmouth make the city truly merry over the holiday. The vintage Christmas launch party, the annual gingerbread house contest, lighting of the Christmas tree, the annual candlelight, the illuminated holiday parade, and many more events fill this month-long festival with excitement, fun, food, and what not, and more. Thus, with who want to experience the holiday season to the fullest, there are many excitement places to stay as well. Where you should stay: AC Hotel by Marriott, Portsmouth, downtown waterfront, address 299 Buchanan Street, Portsmouth, NH 03801, United States. Amenities: fitness center, restaurant, bar, lounge, free Wi-Fi, wallet parking. Indiana, Pennsylvania. Although Indiana, Pennsylvania is not that popular, but it's certainly among the best Christmas town on the East Coast. It is referred to as the Christmas tree capital of the world for good reason. Its wonderful life celebration, which lasts 6 weeks, is how this small town celebrates Christmas. Visitors can enjoy it is a wonderful life parades and festival. The Jimmy Stewart Museum, a horse-drawn hybrid high-ride Thor's Flamey Christmas tree farm, a Jimmy Stewart theme snow, and this activity all a Christmas vacation in Indiana, Pennsylvania is jam-packed with incredible opportunity where you should stay. Holiday Inn Express, Indiana in IFG Hotel. Address 1350 Indiana Spring Road, Indiana, PT 15701. Amenities: our indoor pool, fitness center, free parking, free Wi-Fi, free parking, business center. Annapolis, Maryland. Annapolis downtown gets festively decked with lights and garlands to get everyone in the experience. While there are many fun activities, one can experience the holiday vibes while also exploring adorable boutique and enjoy holiday shopping from the annual chocolate break festival to the East Coast Yacht Club Light Parade. The city hosts a range of incredible events in December, making it one of the best East Coast Christmas town. A family-friendly New Year event celebration there at the city dock that ends with joyful fireworks signal the conclusions of the Christmas celebration and the All the action visitors must stay here for a day or weekend and will find relaxing accommodation in the local hotels where you should stay. Crown Plaza, Annapolis, address 173 Jennifer R.D. Annapolis, MD 2014 1 United States. Amenities: indoor pool, fitness center, restaurant, a bar, lounge, free Wi-Fi. Hershey, Pennsylvania. Christmas vacation is Hershey, Pennsylvania are difficult to match, especially for kids. This small town is known not only for its Hershey chocolate but also for Hershey Park, Hershey Story Museum, and many other exciting attractions with over 70 rides in Christmas Candyland or Hershey Park. Visitors will have a fantastic time surrounded by shimmery museum served chocolate tasting, while Hershey's Chocolate World offers chocolate making activities at night, and Hershey's Sweet Light at 2 miles drive torch lights display allows visitors to get into the Christmas spring stay at one of the many fantastic hotels available to have a remarkable Christmas vacation. Where you should stay: Best Western Plus Hershey's, address 1800 East Chocolate AV Hershey's PTA 17,033 United States. Amenities: indoor pool, fitness center, free Wi-Fi, free parking, business center. Nantucket, Massachusetts. Nantucket, a small remote island off the coast of Cape Cod, Massachusetts, is a popular summer vacation spot due to its dune bucket beaches. There are many unplanned gathered shiny houses in the areas of many hotels, perfect for a holiday stay between Thanksgiving and New Year City. Day, a grand town becomes a thrilling hubs of holiday celebration. Iconic movement follow the traditional tree lighting, affections choral singing the usher of the holiday season of the year most anticipated events, the annual Christmas stroll. The people dress in Victorian verb and the European market sell authentic goods. Where you should stay: Union Street Inn, address 7 Union Street, Nantucket, MA 02554038441. Amenities: free parking, free Wi-Fi, free breakfast, car hire, baggage storage, concierge. Kennebunkport, Maine. Southern Maine is home to the seaside community of the Kennebunkport Cruise Rock Beach. A broad sketch of sand and Arundel Beach is more intimate beach contribute the area's notoriety. Kennebunkport may be most known for its summer crowds, but the town also makes an effort to attract tourists. In the winter, HGTV ranked it as the second best Christmas town in the United States. Spent the holiday in Kennebunkport and witnessed Santa's arrival on a lobster boat during the town's annual Christmas preludes, and enjoy other activities ranging from tree lighting and parades of crafts, caroling, and firework display. Where you should stay: Kennebunkport Captain Collection, address 6 Pleasant Street, Kennebunkport, M 04046. Amenities: free parking, free Wi-Fi, free breakfast, bicycle rental, book, DVDs, and music of children, car hire. Woodstock, Vermont. Woodstock, Vermont is undeniably of one of New England's most picturesque communities and a perfect place to stay during the holidays. Historic structures such as the Norman Williams Public Library, built of pink sandstone, is the 1880s surrounded the town square known as the Green, starting on November and continuing through the middle of December. A full slate of activities will get visitors in the most mood for the holiday season. In late November, gingerbread house the entire into the contest and displayed at Woodstock Scoops to kick off the holiday celebration. Where you should stay, the Blue Horse Inn, address 3 Conch ST Woodstock VT 050911214. Amenities: free parking, free Wi-Fi, pool, free breakfast, badminton, horseback riding, non-smoking hotel. Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. Known as Christmas City, Bethlehem, Pennsylvania has long been a popular vacation spot for people celebrating the reason. Bethlehem vacation is Northampton and Light Country is home to the Christmas village. Also have a Christmas make a park with temporary ideal shops and offering wooden toys, snacks of offer fascinating items as teenagers makes appearance and there is a live Christmas music at markets just over the street in downtown Bethlehem. Visitors may sample a unique elf brew of Paisley brew work to take in the wanted beauty of the light that adorn the city inside building. Where you should stay: historic hotel Bethlehem, address 437 Man Street, Bethlehem, PA 1800 115 5800. Amenities: wallet parking, free Wi-Fi, fitness center with gym, bar, lounge, hiking, evening entertainment, free airport transportation. Asheville, North Carolina. The city of Asheville sits is the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountain of western North Carolina. It has a thrilling art community and beautiful historic buildings such as the Basilica of Saint Lawrence with the iconic tomb. The mountain town located a scenic valley is a massage non-smoking hotels, outdoor furniture. Western Massachusetts. Like many other major cities, Boston raised the nine of the holiday. The city of Boston hosts several trees of holiday light and events. Park trees proclaim a New England style handiwork. Where you should stay: the Golf Ray Hotel, Boston, address 86 Edgammon RD, Asheville, NC 28801 1544. Amenities: wallet parking, free Wi-Fi, fitness center with gym, bar, lounge, pets allowed. Newport, Rhode Island. Located on Rhode Island, Acuñac Island, Newport is a popular vacation destination for residents of New England. America's Cup, a prestigious annual sailing event, was held its Yachtfield Harbor for many years. Several festivities highlight the old-fashioned Christmas and serve up delicious holiday fare along the way. Where you should stay: the Calcite Inn, address 2 Seaview as Newport, RI 02840 03627. Amenities: free parking, free Wi-Fi, free breakfast, board games, puzzles, newspaper, non-smoking hotel. New York City, New York. Experiencing the wonder of Christmas in New York City is well worth braving the crowds and chilling Fifth Avenue stores. The Sixth Street display are especially worth seeing over the holidays, but the city as a whole beautifully decorated Union Shore Branch Park and spectacular in advance. Where you should stay: Marriott Resort, Times Square, address 506th 7th Avenue, New York City, NY 10,018. Amenities: paid private parking, nearby Wi-Fi, pool, a fitness center with gym, bar, lounge, evening entertainment, pets allowed. Williamsburg, Virginia. Williamsburg is located in Virginia. Is frequently considered one of the most lovely places to game room kid stay free. Manchester, Vermont. Many families consider Vermont, a hamlet of Manchester, of the best places to celebrate Christmas because of the truly and unique custom. The town begins its holiday preparation with the light of the town and trees. A large group of people gets together to sing Christmas color, eats cookies and each and snowfall on distant mountain. Elf stand rides, parades, market and cider tasting will follow. Where you should stay in at Ormsby Hills. The address in 1852 Main Street, Manchester Center, VT 05255, United States. Amenities: hot tube, free Wi-Fi, a private bathroom, complimentary breakfast, coffee machine, terrace patio. We hope you like the item we recommended and discussed. The travel has affiliate sponsored partnership, so we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।